You just found the 2025 Ford Bronco. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This highly versatile Bronco delivers competitive off-road capability and daily driver comfort. Designed for the most adventurous among us, it offers an impressive array of trail-conquering features, yet offers up a smooth, satisfying ride for the work week commute. Don't let adventure pass you by. Get into this remarkable Bronco. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.